Hello everyone, welcome to 365 Things You Should Know. Today I thought you should know about the landmark decision the Supreme Court ruled on in 1942 called Wickard versus Filburn. In that case, a farmer, Roscoe Filburn, was growing wheat for on-farm consumption, so for himself and his farm usage, and the United States government had established limits on wheat production based on acreage owned by a farmer in order to drive up wheat prices during the Great Depression. So during the Great Depression, when everyone was starving and they couldn't get food, they were trying to drive prices up, but that's for a different time. And Filburn was growing more than the limits permitted. Filburn was ordered to destroy his crops and pay a fine, even though he was producing the excess wheat for his own use and had no intention of selling it. The Supreme Court, in a unanimous decision, 9-0, interpreted the United States Constitution's Commerce Clause under Article 1, Section 8, which permits the United States Congress to, quote, regulate commerce with foreign nations and among the several states and with the Indian tribes. The court decided that Filburn's wheat growing activities reduced the amount of wheat he would buy for chicken feed on the open market, and because wheat was traded nationally, Filburn's production of more than what he was allotted was affecting interstate commerce. Thus, Filburn's production could be regulated by the federal government. Now, this may strike you as completely ridiculous, and it should, because it basically gives the United States government, federal government, complete authority to carte blanche regulate everything that may have even the most minute effect on interstate commerce. As you can see from a gentleman growing wheat for his own use on his own farm, if they can justify regulation by saying, well, he may purchase fewer things from other sellers now because he's growing his own, what does that restrict you from seeing? So we'll dive deeper into that in another session of 365 Things You Should Know about the Commerce Clause. But thanks for watching.